It was a really good weekend for me actually. I really liked the track. It was really hard and I didn't ride so much in the sand this winter, just in the hard pack. So I was pretty happy to come here and I had two really good starts and two good moto. I won both moto with a pretty big gap, so I was really happy. We worked really hard with the team this winter with Bud Racing and my coach Jackie Vimon. So I'm really happy to win this GP, even if I'm not leading the championship now, but actually I don't mind because I'm not racing all the championships, so I'm happy to win, and especially in France. It was a really good weekend for me.
Yeah, for sure this weekend was not the same of Balkans, but I expect already that was going like that. But anyway, I'm happy with the second place because I'm still leading the championship and I'm looking forward to win the next race. And yeah, I couldn't win in this race because I don't want them to take any risk. So yeah, it was great weekend for me. For sure better in Balkans bar, but anyway, I'm happy. So we will see what happens next race.
My weekend starts very good because normally I ride not so good in the mud, but now it's going better and better. In the qualifying heat it was not so good for me, but I felt good on the track. In the first heat I missed my start and finished 5th, and I was happy with that. In the second moto my start was better, and then I passed Kane in the last corner and going to 3, and now I'm again on the podium. That's very good for me.